Hey, hydration innovators. Welcome back to Fast Nutri News, the place where health meets creativity. Today, we're going beyond the water bottle with 10 creative hydration hacks that will change the way you drink up. Whether you're a water lover or someone who forgets to sip, these tips are for you. Let's dive in. Way number 1, flavor your water. Infuse your water with natural flavors. Think cucumber, lemon, or berries for a refreshing twist. It's like a spa day in a cup. Way number 2, eat your water. Snack on water-rich fruits and veggies like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Delicious hydration in every bite. Way number 3, herbal teas. Sip on herbal teas. Hot or cold, they're a great way to hydrate and can be enjoyed in a variety of flavors. Way number 4, hydration apps. Use hydration reminder apps to ping you when it's time to drink up. Way number 5, fun ice cubes. Make hydration fun with shaped or flavored ice cubes. Think berries, lemon slices, or even coffee for your iced brews. Way number 6, portable water bottle. Invest in a portable water bottle you love. A cool design or motivational quotes can make all the difference. Way number 7, hydrating smoothies. Blend up some hydration with smoothies. Combine your favorite fruits with some water or coconut water for a hydrating treat. Way number 8, water-rich soups. Dive into water-rich soups and broths. They're not only hydrating, but also comforting and nutritious. Way number 9, aloe water or coconut water. Explore the world of aloe water and coconut water. They offer hydration with a bonus of nutrients. Way number 10, challenge a friend. Make hydration a friendly challenge. Compete with a friend or coworker to reach your daily water goals. And there you have it, 10 creative ways to stay hydrated and enjoy every drop. Remember, keeping your body hydrated is key to feeling great and staying healthy. Craving more health hacks and hydration tips? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Fast Nutri News. Comment with your favorite hydration hack, and share this video to spread the hydration love. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep tuning in for more Fast Nutri News. Cheers to your health. Thanks for watching Fast Nutri News. Remember, the journey to wellness is always easier with a little creativity and a lot of water. See you next time. Fast Nutri News, where health meets creativity.